Welcome all of you to this video. So far we have read about the perimeter and area of the shapes. In this video, we will learn about the perimeter and area of adjoint figures. Now the question is, what are adjoint figures? If we pay attention to the word adjoint, we know that this means by connecting or joining. So we can say that the shapes in which we can see more than one basic figure like square, rectangle, triangle, etc. are called adjoint figures. Sohan wants to build a 20-meter diameter circular cricket ground. He wants to make a pitch inside the ground whose dimensions are 4.5 meters long and 3 meters wide. Sohan has to leave the pitch and plant grass all over the field, for which he wants to know how much area will require grass. So can you tell how much area will be covered by grass? Because in this case, we are not planting grass on the pitch, so here we can subtract the area of the pitch from the area of the field. Therefore, to find the area covered by grass, we will subtract the pitch area from the total area of the field. Can you tell how we can find the area of the ground? Since the field is circular, and we know that the area of the circle is pi times the square of radius. But in this question, the value of diameter has been given. Can you find the radius value from a given diameter? Well done. The radius is equal to half of the diameter. Therefore, the radius here will be 10 meters. Here, by substituting the value of radius r 10 meters in this formula, the area of the field is 314 square meters. Now let's figure out the area of the pitch. Since the pitch is rectangular, the area of the pitch will be length times the width. Now by substituting the values of field and pitch, can you find the area surrounded by grass? Let's see how. Grass has to be planted in an area of 300.5 square meter. Let's move the discussion forward. This is Meenu. Meenu combines a square and semicircular cardboard piece in this way. Now she wants to put a ribbon on the border of this new shape, for which she goes to a shop. Can you tell how much ribbon Meenu would have bought? For this, we will first see where the ribbon will be placed. Perfect! The ribbon will look like this on the border. That is, we have to find the measurement of its border. Take a round to the figure starting from point A. You can see that it takes 14 centimeters of ribbon to go from A to B, because AB is a side of a square. Can you tell how much ribbon will be on the semicircular part? Perfect. The length of the ribbon applied to it will be half of the circumference of the circle on the side of the square. Can you tell what will be the radius of the circle formed on this side of the square? In the picture, you can see that the side BC is diameter, so the radius will be 7 cm. With the help of this calculation, we find the length of the ribbon mounted on the semicircle BC. Since the values of all the sides of the square are equal, therefore, a ribbon of 14 cm length will be put on CD and DA sides as well. In this way, a piece of cardboard will have a total of 64 cm ribbon. Therefore, Meenu has to take 64 cm ribbon. So today, we saw how can we find the perimeter and area of adjoint figures. Welcome all of you to this video. In the previous video, we learned how to find the perimeter and area of adjoint figures. Today we will see examples based on these. This is Mohini. She wants to make a rangoli of the figure with the help of squares and triangles. If the side of the square is 25 cm and the base and height of all triangles are 8 cm and 12 cm respectively, can you tell how much area would it require to make a rangoli? As you can see, this rangoli is made of a combination of a square and 4 triangles. Therefore, the area of the rangoli will be equal to the sum of the area of the square and the area of the 4 triangles. So let's find the area of the square. The area of a square is the square of a side as all the sides are equal. Here, the side of the square measures 25 centimeters. Therefore, the area of the square will be 625 square centimeters. Now, the question is, how do you find the area of triangles? Since these 4 triangles are congruent, the area of all triangles will be equal to 4 times the area of a triangle. Can you tell what is the formula to find the area of a triangle? Substituting 8 cm and 12 cm, the value of base and height respectively. Thus, the area of a triangle is 48 square centimeters. Now, can you tell the value of the area of all the triangles? Well done! The value of the area of all the triangles is 192 square centimeters. Now let's find the area of rangoli, substituting the area of squares and triangles. Rangoli area is 817 square centimeter. In this video, we have seen how we can find the area of adjoint figures in our daily life. Welcome all of you to this video. In the previous video, we saw an example in our daily life based on the area of adjoint figures. Today we will see example based on the area of adjoining shapes. The visible figure has a rectangle and a semicircle. The length of the rectangle equals 280 mm and width equals 18 cm. As you can see, there are two units, mm and centimeter, used here. So let's convert them into centimeters. Can you convert 280 mm into centimeter with the help of this scale? Well done. It will be 28 cm. Thus, the length of the rectangle will be 28 cm and the width will be 18 cm. The diameter of the semicircle is equal to the length of the rectangle. As we know, the opposite sides are equal in the rectangle. We can see that the yellow shape will look like something like this. Name the vertices A, B, C and D. The perimeter of the visible figure will be the sum of the values of the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. We know the values of AB, BC and CD. But how do we find the circumference of a semicircle? Well done. The circumference of the semicircle DA can be found by the circumference of the circle. Here, the value of radius will be 14 cm. We can see that the circumference of the semicircle DA will be half the circumference of the circle, which is 2 times pi times radius. Now let's substitute the values. Now let's find the perimeter. Keeping the circumference of the sides and semicircle. Therefore, the value of the perimeter of yellow figure is 108 cm. In this video today, we saw an interesting example based on perimeter in adjoint figures.